and gentlemen, welcome back to Leum YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will be show you how about very easy the mockup by using Adobe Photoshop. For the highlight is next coming up, I will be show you at the following. Okay, let me see. The first one is original image, and the second one after the mock-up the photo. This photo we will be mocked up through the package we come to this one. That's highlight video tutorial in this episode. So before we are going to watch for the next together, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the button. You will be receive the notification whenever I have been uploaded the tutorial into Leum YouTube channel. Okay, let me see at the following. Okay, let's go. Okay, go to open the Photoshop. Okay, open. Go to the open and select the original photo. Open. Okay, after that, go to the select and go to the subject. Okay, right now the object was selected already, so go to duplicate. We can Ctrl J. 1, 2, okay, 2 layers is enough. After that, close the second one, close the second one and select the layer 1. For the next, go to the open the image and drag down to the template. Okay. Okay, right now the photo it becomes the template already. For the next, adjust the photo covering, catch up the package. Okay. After that, click OK, and for the next, right is go to the restore layer. Okay, and right click again. For the next, select clipping mark. Okay, okay. Right now, the photo is become to overlap and catch up the package already. And this layer change blending mode for layer become to the multiply. Let's we see how different. You can grab right. Okay, you can drag right, adjust the photo inside or catch up the package like this. Okay. Right now, for the next, open the second one and right click, go to clipping mark and change from normal become to the screen or sharp right like this. Okay, and this one in according to your design you can adjust or anymore. Okay, after we adjust already, go to the adjustment layer. In this case, go to the levels and right. Don't forget select this one or click this one and right. Adjust. You can see it's in black. Back to the left. White. Okay. Okay. By yourself about how design this. You just only make a guide how to mock up by using Photoshop. Okay. For the last one, go to the background and change the color of the background. Go to the adjustment layer. Go to the hue saturation. Okay, this one presets you can select the sorry master you can select the gray one green one yellow no problem okay in this by using the default we get only red right like this okay adjust
A few moments later
okay okay by the way in this case you can select or it according to your design about this okay that's all okay that's all I hope that this tutorial is useful for you before we are going to watch for the next tutorial please don't forget to like subscribe and hit the button. You will be get the notification every time when I upload the new tutorial to my YouTube channel, Leum YouTube channel at the following. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you next clip. Bye bye.